How's it going, Wavve Boating community? Adam here, and today I'm going to show you how to add fuel stations to the map and how you can actually update them. And in terms of things that you can do to help out the Wavve Boating community, this has got to be one of the top ones on the list. Having updated fuel prices, having them marked on the map, super helpful for other waivers on the water. So if you can take, if you see any locations that aren't on the map, if you can add them, I would like to send my thanks to you in advance, and so would the other boaters in your area. So let's walk through this. So let's say I'm aware of, a station in this little inlet here where boaters can get fuel. It's not marked on the map. So what I'm going to do is go to the plus button, top right, just below the map filters. This is where and how you add waypoints to the map. Okay, so I get this crosshair, and now I got this option to add to the map. So you're just going to put the map in the right position. Okay, this isn't an actual station. We're just kind of doing an example here. But I'm going to select fuel station. It's one of the more popular points on the Wavve Boating map. And I'll see this option here. So if you are actually close to this station and you can add a picture, maybe it's where you actually dock for the fueling, where the pumps actually are, anything. Those pictures really are super helpful for someone new coming to that area. Even if it's a picture of the dock staff who are there, provided you got their consent, that can be really helpful. Okay, so add a picture if you can. For, again, example, I'm sitting at a desk here today. I'm not going to add a picture, but I'll add some notes. So this is a example marina. Okay. And there's information that you can add here. So you can add the fuel price, the hours, contact information, how many slips are available, as well as some notes. Okay. More information, the better. One of the key pieces of information that's super helpful for everyone, fuel price. Okay. Let's add that in here and say, it's $6.75 per gallon. I know price is going up and up. This is probably going to be dated in 2 weeks. So I'm going to add that there. Okay. Hit save. That's now going to get added to the map as soon as it goes through our internal review process, and then other waivers will be able to see that. Okay. Super helpful, please. Now, again, let's say I'm out around here. I'm familiar with, I'm boating, and I'm heading to this station here, and I'm actually getting fuel there, and I see the price is actually different than what's posted here. So it's saying $6 per gallon. It's actually gone up to $6.75. Okay. Please, if you can, update the fuel price. Again, very helpful for everyone. So I'm going to go to proceed. I'm going to update this to what I am actually seeing on the waterway. Okay. And now you can update other fuel stations that other waivers have added. Okay. It helps everyone else out. So please, encourage you if you can do it. Much appreciated. If you have any questions about that, please reach out to our team anytime at community@wavveboating.com, and have a wonderful day on the water. Thank you.